think about action cams way back, like the original GoPros, not gonna say one good. You just have to like stabilize it and do stuffs para nindot ang footage. But this one here, they have very good stabilization. I am using right now Rocksteady, and Rocksteady Plus siya. Mura ka nang mas zoom in pagit siya, hindi siya grabe ka wide. This one could go around 11 millimeters. Normal lang siya one, and if you want to go wider, it can go around. Rocksteady Plus mas nindot siya stabilization, goes 17. So 17 is still wide. Wala akong ginagamit sa vlogging nako before. So yeah, still good enough. And yeah, I'll check if footage is good. If it is, I've tried this before, but the thing is, yeah, that audio kagyapon. If it works for you, if it doesn't work for you, and all those. Anyway, talk to you later. Okay guys, nako nga rin karon sa Port Melbourne, yakani siya dapit sa dagat. So just sold my CF Express cards because I don't use them. Got them for cheap, but wala kayo na ako magamit, so akong baligya. Just came past here and look at that boat there. It's very big. So yeah, muna siya gitawag na mong Port Melbourne. Tarong mo tayong microphone ba. And yeah, so at these times, like, people come over here dili para maligog dagat. Some of them maligog dagat, but most of them mag sunbathing because yeah, weather is for sunbathing. And muna siya. Anyway, pwede ko sa sakyanan because I'm gonna go to Digidirect to meet Brad and the rest of the guys. And yeah, so this is wala kay tao, but init kayo, puti luspad kasi sila. But yeah, so let's go back to the car and yeah, see how we go. And summer here, kanang tugnog mo ng dagat, maski init kayo. So maski sa pa nakainit ka rin, itugsan mo tubig bugnog yapon. Muna siya. Ganda kay manaang traffic light. Big Santa. So these are the shops here. So dito kilid sa daan. Anyway, let's go.